Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to change your online store measurement system from the kilogram to the ounce, for example. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, go to hpanel.hostinger.com, log in to your Hostinger account, and click on Websites. Now, next to your online store, click on Manage Store. First, let's give this online store a visit. This is the online store, for example. Here, let's try to add a new product, physical product. Here, I'm just looking for the current measurement system. As you see here, the weight is in the ounce. Okay, how to change this measurement system from the ounce to the kilogram, for example, or the opposite? Simply click on settings and make sure you are in the store details, and here below measurement system you can select a different one. For example, you can switch from the imperial ounce and inch to the metric like kilo and centimeter. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger website builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger website builder, how to choose and customize your template, how to master page and navigation design, also design pages and add in content, building specific page types, blogging with Hostinger builder, create an online store, forms in general, emails and the integrations, advanced features and design enhancement, SEO, analytics and tracking tools, backup and cloning maintenance, and also final touches and optimization. To get all of this today for free, plus my other free online courses, which are Google Sites, Google Search Console, Brevo email marketing, Bluehost web hosting, Hostinger web hosting, Hostinger WordPress, and also Hostinger email today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. And make sure you are in the store details, and here below measurement system you can select a different one. For example, you can switch from the imperial ounce and inch to the metric like kilo and centimeter. Select the other measurement system that you want to use, update, save it. Now if I try to return to the same page, which is add a new product, here as you see it is the weight changed from the ounce to the kilogram. And this is how to change the measurement system for your online store in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.